Do you want to venture out as an actor?
I don't know, man.
I'm gonna-
I think
You want to become an actor?
I am in a movie. Say that again. Me, Agastya. I am in a movie on Netflix. Bro, this doesn't feel real even today. When today is the premiere, the screening, I have to get ready after this YouTube video and leave for the screening of a movie in which I'm in, which is crazy. Okay, let me tell you how this happened. So this was in November, December of 2023. I got a call from the Dharmatics. Oh yeah, by the way, wait, before I can't breeze over this. I am in a Dharma movie, a Dharmatic production movie. भाई, too many big things. मेरा दिमाग फट रहा है. ये कैसे हो गया मेरे को अब तक समझ नहीं आ रहा. But I got this call from the office saying that hi, we're casting for this character. It's called Akash Goenka, and we liked your face, is what they said, and we want to try you for the part. There is a very funny story behind how I got this role. So they were looking for the face of the character, and I remember I had made this moy moy pe reel कि उसके हाथ नहीं है moy moy. कितनी बार आएगा मोए मोए? So they saw that reel, one of the ADs, and they are like, hey, why don't we try Agastya for the part? So I got a call and I've gone to the Dharmatics office for my first audition. एक तो bro, you walk in, उधर धर्मा लिखा हुआ है, इतने बड़े बड़े, like it's intimidating as hell. I'm going to be honest, मेरे लिए तो बहुत intimidating था start में. And I walk into this like kind of half boardroom where there are 2-3 other people who now I know really well because they were the ADs and the DAs in the movie. So I gave my first audition over there, went back home thinking कि हाँ चलो भूल जाओ, ये वैसे भी नहीं आने वाला, कि कर लिया, ठीक है, क्या ही chances है, मैं इतना खास तो कुछ actor हूँ नहीं. But I got a call back for the second audition and I went back to the office and I thought this is just gonna be another normal kind of audition, with the DAs and the ADs, or there'll only be one camera. But I walk into the room and I see Khushi, I see Ibrahim, and I see Shauna, who's the director of our movie, sitting there, and I was like, मेरा second audition है and it's happening with the cast members and the director. So I was like, bro, that moment, very honestly, I was scared. I cannot mess this up, because if this audition is happening like this, then they really are considering me for the role. So in my second audition, Ibrahim and I actually did the scene in front of the director, which is like one of my biggest scenes in the movie. After that, I went outside and I was just sitting on the couch over there, and one of the ADs came out and they asked for my phone number. I thought hoga kuch, and they were like, we need to send it to the inline producer or line-in producer, या जो भी होता है, मेरे को नहीं पता. Then I think almost after a week, 10 days later, I get a call saying that Agastya, congratulations, you have been selected for the part of Akash Goenka. And I am like, is this real life? Is this actually happening? Am I going to make my Hindi film debut in a Dharma production movie on Netflix? Like, you put all of these pieces together when randomly तुमने सोचा भी नहीं है, ये कभी करना भी नहीं था, very honestly, but हो गया. So after I knew I had the role, we had workshops in the Dharma office again, where we would go, we would practice our lines, learn them. Shauna, the director, used to tell us कि ऐसे बोलो, some emotions or the pitch and the tone. So we had like a week, 10 days of like proper workshops, and those were also so much fun because we would play these games where to correct our pronunciations on English and Hindi words, we play heads up with those. So it was great fun with all the other cast members also there. It was like honestly so much fun. And after the workshops, you see my body language has changed. Now after the workshops, it was time for the table read with all of the cast members. At the table read, dude, there are legends in the room, like Sunil Shetty sir is in the room, Diya Mirza ma'am's in the room, Mahima Chaudhary ma'am's in the room. Oh my god, bro, when Sunil Shetty sir walked in, bro, the aura, like all of us were like talking among ourselves. We just shut up when he walked into that boardroom, because bro, you could feel it. And bro, I am a huge Sunil Shetty fan, bro. De Dana Dan is my top 3 movies of all time. And to see him sitting opposite me at a table read for a movie both of us are in, bhai, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I don't know how I've not had a stroke during some of these moments. So we did the table read where all of us read the entire script. That's the first time I actually heard the entire storyline, and I loved it. It was so much fun. And next step was obviously the prep is done. Now it's time for production. Pre-production is done. It was time for production. It's time to shoot the movie. My first day on set was somewhere around Thane. We were shooting like a airport scene where I have to go to Ibrahim and I'm like, dekh aa gayi, nahi aayi, or something like that. And bro, I was again like, it's my first time shooting a movie. It's my first time on a set as big as this, like a movie set. I had my own vanity, which was pretty cool. We got my hair and everything locked just a couple of days before. My outfit was there wearing the Falcon Eye jacket, which is like the college name, university name in the movie. And yeah, my first day of shoot was that. And I remember coming home in the car ride back from Thane and just thinking, bro, I just did my first scene for my first movie. And that feeling in itself was surreal, but I didn't know how better and how much more fun, honestly. I've had so much fun on the set, how much more fun I was going to have and how much more work there was to do. Dude, it was an experience, I'm telling you. We also had to lock my costumes for the entire movie, and my character is this extremely rich South Delhi kid who's like arrogant and bratty and, you know, I don't care, school mere baap ka hai, mere ko farak nahi padta. Like, I'm this damn cocky guy. So obviously I had to wear a lot of brands. So I remember while costume trials were going on, I'm wearing Prada, I'm wearing Burberry, I'm wearing Off-White, I'm wearing D Squared, I'm wearing Balmain, all these brands. And bro, मेरे को तो मजा आ रहा है bro. पहली बार लाइफ में ऐसे कपड़े मस्त एकदम पहन रहा हूँ bro. It was too good. Boma. Sorry, not Bomay, Boma. Then the major part of my schedule to shoot was in the university, and we shot in this university in Pune. I don't know if I can say the name, which has another backstory attached to it, which is for me, not for anybody else. We shot a couple of scenes. We had movie montage cuts. We had a scene with. Oh, no, I can't say that. It's a spoiler. It's a spoiler. Sorry. वो नाम cut कर देना. Dude, एक तो our schedule was crazy because the university we were shooting at and the hotel we were staying at was like 1 hour apart, and सुबह 6:30 बजे was our call time. Okay, on university. So we had to wake up by 5, leave by 5:30, reach by 6:30, and then by the time we would get done with the shoot, we would reach the hotel back at 11:30. 1 घंटा chill करते थे. Bro, I have slept for 4.5, max 6 hours for like 25 days, and this was in March of 2024. Like max that much sleep we were getting, but it was so much fun, dude. Because every day you're on set, तुम black coffee पे जी रहे हो, Red Bull पे जी रहे हो. Everybody is also dead like you, but you have to complete the shot. But honestly, my only perspective towards being on this set was I want to do my job. I want to do what they've taken me for well, and I just want to have fun because this was my first experience being on a set like this. We also shot this Diwali song, which is part of the movie. Obviously, that's a stupid sentence. It was crazy because Sunil Shetty sir was like standing one person away and was standing next to me at a point. और bro, मेरे को process ही नहीं हो रहा था कि मैंने क्या ऐसा कैसा हो गया ये सब. Like, how is this even possible? Even seeing Archana Puran Singh ma'am, bro, I've seen her on Kapil show, on Netflix, on TV. My dada dadi, nana nani watched that show, and I am a big fan of that show. And seeing her at the table read, oh bro, it was crazy. And she's just as funny in real life also. She's too funny. My biggest scene in the movie, which was my audition scene also, and I remember the night before, I was a little bit nervous. We had everything prepped. I knew my lines. We had changed the lines also to make them funnier. And Khanna and KP, who were the DAs on the project, they were like helping me fine tune and, you know, rehearse everything in the night before in the hotel. The morning of my big scene, I've woken up nicely. I've vlogged it also. It's out on my Instagram at Agastya Shah if you don't follow me there. But I've vlogged it and I'm putting out a lot of content about the film because it was just something to document for me and also to share it with you because I kept it a secret from you guys for almost 1 year. Exactly 1 year actually. And I don't know how I've done that, dude. I like sharing things with you the instant it happens. I don't know how I've kept this a secret. सच में मेरे को लगा मैं एक बार बोल दूं, कुछ hint दे दूं ऐसे, but नहीं. It was worth the wait because I can see you guys are DMing me. Y'all are really happy. Thank you guys. ACFAM, I love you. Now, my first big shoot day, like my first big scene. I've reached the set. We have gotten ready. मैं vans में भी मेरी line पढ़ रहा हूँ. I'm a little nervous at this point. I'm gonna be honest. We get on set and I'm fine. Like my nervousness just went. I feel like because I shoot reels and YouTube videos and everything, when I'm on set, when I'm on camera, like my muscle memory kind of took over. And I think Shauna also really helped me out whenever like I was doing anything wrong. She would tell me on the mic or something, which really helped me and calm my nerves कि चलो मैं गलत कुछ करूँगा तो Shauna मेरे को बोल देगी obviously. So we shoot the big scene. I don't want to ruin it for you, but it is I think in the start of the movie only. It's a very cool scene. It's based in a classroom. It's in the debate classroom. I don't want to say more, but that scene we've had so much fun even in workshops, Ibrahim and I, because he needs to hold my collar. I don't know if it made it or no, but that was like an option where you had to hold my collar like this. And bro, Ibrahim's like a tall dude and I'm not that tall. And there's like a stare down where he's looking at me and I'm looking at him like this. It's a very funny shot. But that scene was so much fun. We were supposed to shoot it in one day, but it took a little longer because we were trying different angles. And that scene has come out so well. I saw it while I was dubbing for the movie with the background score added and everything, bro. I was like, crazy ho gaya, bro. I'm damn excited for you to see it. But I've only seen that scene. I have a bunch of other scenes in the movie also which I have not seen because they didn't require dubbing. And I'm going to see it today evening at the premiere, at the screening for the first time. I'm going to see myself. And even though it's on Netflix, आज तो screening है, I'll see myself on the theater screen, bro. चल क्या रहा है? So the majority of my scenes are with Ibrahim, and because of a dynamic we have in the movie, no spoilers, and bro, the experience of working with all of these people was so much fun, because this entire world was really new to me, this Hindi film industry world, and working with all of these people was genuinely so much fun. Like, we have had so much fun on set, in the hotel. We had gone to a farm also. Bro, we were in Bhor. I cannot miss this. We were in Bhor shooting the final scene of the movie. और भाई, Bhor is a location which I had never been to. None of us had heard of. It is somewhere in the कोने में था हमारा होटल. होटल में सर्विस नहीं है, ठीक है? रूम सर्विस तो छोड़ो ही. एक रेस्टोरेंट नहीं है, स्विगी जोमेटो कुछ नहीं आ रहा उधर. उधर यू नीड टू गो 15-20 किलोमीटर, एक ग्रोसरी शॉप, वो भी एक छोटा सा किराना दुकान ढूंढने. एंड वी डिडंट नो दिस. तो भाई हम उधर है ना, हमारे स्नैक्स सब रैशन कर रहे हैं कि हम 3 दिन इधर है, हम कैसे खाना खाने वाले हैं. बिकॉज वन डे आवर फूड ट्रक व्हिच वाज कमिंग, दैट आल्सो ब्रोक डाउन. तो वी वर हंग्री ओवर देयर. हम रैशन कर करके सब कास्ट मेंबर्स हम बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं. लाइक, वी हैड सो मच फन. नाइट शूट था लास्ट डे, सो इट वाज कोल्ड एज हेल, बट दैट डे व्हेन दे सेड ना इट्स अ फिल्म रैप फॉर अगस्त्य, आई वाज लाइक, ब्रो, आई हैव जस्ट रैप्ड माय फर्स्ट मूवी.
Film rap for Agastya! Film rap for debate lads!
Oh, debate lads also.
Debate! Film rap for Agastya!
And after that, I came home. I surprised mom and dad, by the way, if you want to play the clip right now. Yo.
Shit, man.
Open the door.
Oh, shit. Idiot you are, seriously. तू डरेगा यू यार.
What's up, mom? Shit. This was the longest I had not seen them, because I was in Pune for almost 25-27 days. I haven't been without my family or not even seen them once for this long ever in my life. So that also was a very different experience. But the movie is out now, Nadaniya on Netflix. Go watch it. And if you're watching it, see me in the screen. You will see me. That's a stupid sentence. See me, post a story and tag me, because I'm going to be reposting as many, if not all of your stories when you tag me in your stories and see me on Netflix in Nadaniya. I love you guys. Thank you so much, ACTFAM. All of this is only possible because of you guys. I mean it when I say it. We're dream chasers. We're not afraid to be different, and we push each other to become better people every single day. Like I always say in this big life achievement or like a moment video, I am proof it can happen. There was no reason I should be in a Dharma movie or a Hindi movie, but it happened. So it can happen for you to just keep chasing your dreams. I can't wait for you guys to see the movie and what you think. Also, please मेरी acting को criticize मत करना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं कोई रणबीर कपूर level वो तो छोड़ो, मैं उससे 10 गुना अंडरग्राउंड भी नहीं हूं. मैं नहीं हूं अच्छा एक्टर, ठीक है, बट डोंट क्रिटिसाइज इट टू मच. जस्ट वॉच इट. आई हैव डन इट. आई गॉट द रोल. मजा आया मेरे को फिल्म करते. आई होप यू एंजॉय वॉचिंग द मूवी नादानिया, आउट ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स राइट नाउ. आई लव यू गाइज. ओके, चलो बाय. भाई सच में मूवी आ रही है. मूवी आ रही है ब्रो. आज प्रीमियर है. कच्चे में जाऊं? हो गया तेरा.